Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make tartar sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks again for watching. If this is your first time being here though, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make tartar sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of dill relish, 2 teaspoons of dill weed, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of sugar, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Let's drop down here and start mixing it up. Alright, bowl big enough for all the ingredients. Check out the description box for the recipe. And here we go. We got our mayonnaise, got our relish, got the dill, sugar, our lemon juice, and we got to get our salt and pepper in there. Alright, you know the drill now. We are going to plate this up, make it look awesome, take some photos of it for social media, lay those photos right here into the timeline with some groovy music, then we're going to come back and give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Give this a taste. Cooked off a little salmon for this. Creaminess of that mayonnaise, the tartness of the dill and the lemon in there, along with that crunch of that relish. Really complements this fish really well. You could also do this with shrimp. You can do it with other kinds of seafood as well, not just fish. But I think it's best when you use it with breaded fish, like fish and chips. So, thanks a lot for watching. We made tartar sauce today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how we did. And also, don't forget to like this video and share this video and this channel with everybody that you know. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.